Welcome to Ngobo 10 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting us. Please subscribe and help us to reach 10,000 subscribers. Eitada. This is Ngobo 10 Shop I channel. We are here at Loftus Stadium, Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Polokwane City. Not, my sister, how's it?
I'm good, thanks, and yourself?
Good, why are you laughing?
Because you're laughing.
Yeah, okay.
But I think I'm also laughing because, yeah, guys, I never expected it. Eh?
Yeah.
Mamelodi Sundowns is a good team, I must say. I don't want to take that away from them. But I do believe I expected a lot more fight from Polokwane City.
Yeah.
I expected them to be more hungry, and we didn't get that. We didn't get any hunger.
Yeah.
And I think also looking at the first half, the spirit of the boys. Yeah, one other game against Kaizer Chiefs versus Mamelodi Sundowns. We could already tell as fans from the first half that the spirit is not there. The guys are not attacking. There was no communication, which is the very same thing we saw at Polokwane City. I don't think there was a lot of communication amongst the team when coming to ball passing, because you could see they were missing each other. They were falling on the ball.
Yeah.
You know, so that just goes to say that there was no chemistry for today's match. I'm going to put it like that. There really was no chemistry. I thought they would probably be able to equalize by the second half, and that is because I think they played a lot much better than they did in the first half, I must say, right? You could see that they were trying to catch up to the scoreline, but unfortunately
they couldn't convert their chances.
You know, and that's just football, you know. And yeah, man, I think I'm just very disappointed, man, because I expected a lot more from them. But also I'm disappointed because as a Pirates fan, I was looking at the gap nyana stop on no re tloba mo 6 nyana wa ntlhalohanya
ba se feleletsa go 3
ba se feleletsa mo 3 wa ntlhalohanya. But you know what, it's a learning curve. Home game.
Exactly.
I think everybody has got more advantage when they're playing at home.
Yeah, but then, you know, with Sundowns, I mean, they are a stronger team.
Definitely, anyway, they are a stronger team. But I think one thing Polokwane City has proven to a lot of people, just like I would like to say with Umakezi for the past few games, is that they're capable and they can.
Exactly,
and they've got great players. But I just feel like sometimes in dietitian guys, I'm eating schedule, guys. I never see the KFC na mapapa all the time. You know, when you look, there's some players go Polokwane City, guys. They are up against people like Tapelo. Tapelo's the first player. Tapelo Mrena is the first player, and it becomes a problem now because wabona go player email like Emily. And any time that the ball is being passed to them, or it's a long ball or something, they are unable to carry the ball out because
balls are heavy.
They are heavy on the ball, you know, and but you know what, Gidiski, I think that they've taught themselves one or two from this game. I think they will come back stronger. I definitely believe they will come back stronger. I think they really have a great coach, I must say, guys. A South African coach.
Exactly.
Shout out to him, you know, and you can see that he's got a vision, and you can see that the boys trust his vision, and I think that's one of the most important things, you know. And I want to applaud them also for the connection that they have with their fans, man. Their fans waited even after the game, you know, to clap for their players, and the players came, which is something you don't see from a lot of teams, you know.
Exactly, yeah.
With the game here, Kaizer Chiefs and Mamelodi Sundowns, one thing is after the game.